get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get down. Get down. Put your hands behind your back now.
On August 23rd, 2022, deputies arrested 22-year-old fugitive Taylor Randall West. But after they put him in custody, he escaped into the woods, and it took deputies nearly 12 hours to find him and arrest him again.
Because the first one didn't take, right, bud? Hold on.
You want to stay in here just so no rain affects it? Looks like there might be already rain on it. I might have to dry it.
Got it. Got it. Hold on. No?
No, just past those two.
Got it.
If that don't come back, just do it again with just the two fingers and then click out the other ones. IT said just do the two fingers only.
Got it. Right, a cigarette. You call that stuff over here?
Yeah.
Dude?
Like this gentleman right here said, his brother's a fucking idiot.
Cups up front so we can smoke. Let's go. I'm gonna move your hand. I'm gonna keep handcuffs right now. I'm gonna move your hands up front. Front. Smoke a cigarette, and that way we can,
Thank you.
be a little bit more comfortable. Like I said, you've been cooperative with us. Doesn't mean you won't have supper on me, but
No, you ain't gotta worry about that.
I don't think so. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing it.
This one thinks about consequences.
I
The other one's the
like I said,
hard-headed.
I ain't in no trouble. I ain't in no trouble. I ain't gonna get myself in no trouble. No, I know. I was just trying to do it. Thanks.
Here, watch these vines. Stop.
All night long, deputies searched the nearby woods and jungle areas, trying to track down the fugitive who had run away.
Hold there.
What is it, 312 or 310?
I'm 312.
312 and 312. Yeah, I said 5. While my partner's breaking, we're going to make contact or attempt contact at 307, and it might be the suspect's location. Yeah, that's not confirmed, it's just described location of where it might be staying. Hello, Sheriff's Office. Is there a Dylan that lives here? Not even close to anybody.
You guys were here last night for something.
For the same thing?
I don't know, 2 people were here at like 12:30 last night knocking. And then after the third knock, we like just got up to find his movie.
Katasku might have been here.
For the warrant? Guy warrant?
He tried to knock on somebody's door earlier.
It was like a guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
Okay. Alright, well, sorry to wake you, but we had somebody that ran from us and this was the
I
described.
figured because I'm preparing a helicopter for like 4 hours.
Yeah. No, okay.
You guys have a good day.
Alright, you
Stay
too. So I'm going to be attempting contact at 307, apartment 307, building 53.
Sheriff's Office. Hello. Sheriff's Office. Hi, is there a Dylan that lives here?
A Dylan?
Dylan. No, not at all. Sorry about that. We're just looking for somebody, and they gave us kind of this general description and said that. So sorry about that.
You're fine.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, don't be sorry to us. We're the one who interrupted y'all. So you have a good night. Morning.
It's a firefighter's house.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get down! Get down! Put your hands behind your back now! 314, 1012. Do not move. You got any weapons on you? Secure.
Even after a long manhunt, deputies still have to follow use of force and cuffing policies. Watch how they give clear commands, secure the suspect, and then immediately start checking for injuries and weapons.
What's in your pocket, bud? I see a big bulge over here.
My phone charger and my phone.
All right, no weapons on you?
Nope.
Are you injured at all? No
My
injuries?
legs are scratched up. That's about it.
Your legs are scratched up? All right. What's your
Chains are. Pardon me? Chains are. They're big.
So
Was it you that walked in front of her last night?
no.
That button?
Right. What's that? Oh, yeah. So, okay. Spread your feet out. You got anything that's poked me, stick me, nothing on you?
Nope, nothing.
Nothing you're not supposed to have?
You're my little turner. Not bad. All of it's my fault, man. I don't blame y'all for nothing. I just doing your job.
You alright, sir?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Go ahead.
You're done?
North Carolina confirms warrant. I could have confirmed that one for you. Wish I could hold back road yet. Sure, I got warrants here now.
Go this way. Not you.
Bring around the other side.
Traffic 15, Vanishes.
According to court records, West was wanted in North Carolina and Virginia for violating probation on charges that included opium and heroin trafficking. Locally, he now faces additional counts for resisting arrest, giving a false name to law enforcement, fentanyl possession, and drug paraphernalia.
I have a traffic
You alright?
15,
Yeah,
Vanishes.
everything good? Alright.